All right, guys, if you've got an Insta360 X3 and a motorbike, but your footage still looks kinda average, you're probably mounting it wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you the best camera placements to get those epic, cinematic riding shots. The ones that actually make it look like a movie, not just a GoPro stuck on your helmet. We'll test a few different angles, show real footage, and I'll break down what works and what doesn't. Let's get into it. First setup, the selfie stick mounted at the back of the bike. This gives you that classic third-person follow shot, almost like a drone chasing you. You get your full body, the bike, and the road all in one frame. Next, mounting the camera on the rear side of the bike. This angle adds a lot of motion. You really see the road rushing past and the lean of the bike through corners. Now placing the camera on the tank. Or with an extension. This is more of a rider's POV. You see the handlebars, your arms, and a bit of the road ahead. Here's where it gets interesting. Selfie stick extended out the front. This creates that insane floating effect, like the camera is leading you down the road. Last setup, camera mounted at the front of the bike. This gives you a clean, forward-facing view, similar to what you'd see in racing footage. All right, that's it for the best camera placements using the Insta360 X3 on a motorbike. If you got value from this, hit that like button. Subscribe for more riding content. And I'll see you in the next one.